explosive dips. For this one, you need dip bars. So you're gonna start out like in any normal dip position where you depress your shoulders. Either you can get your shoulders a bit close, so you close your chest. But how you're gonna do the explosive dips is that we're gonna go slower down and then explode as fast as possible on the way up. So you're not gonna be doing up and down like this, but slow down and then poof, explode. And it's important when you explode that you explode with as much speed as possible and don't hesitate. You go, 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 poof, and then explode with all your power. So it's gonna be looking something like this. You go down, slow, 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 explode. Slow, 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 explode. Slow, 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 explode. So as you can see, I go down, I go down, I go down, and then I push as fast as possible. You want to go down to 90 degrees or slightly lower, and from there, explode. So let me show you a couple of reps. So here, legs together, straight legs, tension your core, depress your shoulders, and tension everything, and then we go down, slow, slow, slow,